programa asin proyekto na pigi-implementar ta sa satuya pong syudad, lalong-lalo na po digdi sa Barangay Kararayan, asin lalong-lalo na salado kan edukasyon. Mabuhay ang Naga! Kabali ang Kararayan! Naga na!
"100 years since the canonical coronation of the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia, and our devotion continues to run strong. The biggest and most awaited Marian celebration is here once again. Join us as we celebrate the Peña Francia Festival 2024. September 7, CTP, MAPE, DRRM, and DBC, DLC Majorettes Exhibition. September 11, Miss Bicolandia 2024, Coronation Night. September 13, Peña Francia, Traslación Procession. September 14, Second Bicol Regional CTP, MAPE, DRRM, Parade Competition. September 15, Regional Majorettes, DBC, and Band Exhibition. September 15 to 21, Tagboan Food, Arts and Music Festival. September 18, Scouts Parade and DXMC Competition. September 18, Second Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. September 19, Civic and Float Parade. September 19, Peña Francia Voyadores Festival Street and Pilgrims Dance Competition. September 20, Bicol Regional Military Parade. September 20, 100th Anniversary of the Canonical Coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia. September 20, Procesión Triunfal para la Reina Celestial de Coronada. September 21, Peña Francia Fluvial Procession. For the complete list of Peña Francia Festival civic and religious events, visit the Naga City Government and Mayor Son Legacion page. The Peña Francia Festival civic events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Legacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis.
Please rise for the invocation to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem, and please remain standing for the singing of the Heart of Bicol March.
Ama namin, pakinggan mo po ang pagtawag namin sa iyong banal na pangalan. Basbasan mo po ang aming pagtitipon at kami kaluguran mo sa araw na ito. Pagyamanin mo po, Panginoon, at maging nakaayon sa iyong kalooban ang aming pagkikita-kita mula sa simula hanggang katapusan. Masalamin nawa namin ang layunin mong dakila sa aming buhay at maisagawa namin ngayon ang aming mga gawain na may kabutihan at pag-ibig sa aming kapwa. Kami po'y naniniklohod sa iyong harapan na kami iyong patnubayan at iwaksi sa aming kaisipan ang anumang masasamang kaisip, inggit at pakikipag-alit sa aming mga kasama. Bigyan mo kami ng sapat na lakas at katalinuhan upang may bahagi naman namin ang aming makakaya sa aming mga kasama sa pagtitipon na ito. Ilagpo sa aming diwa at puso ang pagmamahal na hindi naghihintay ng anumang kapalit. Bagkus ay bukas palad na magkakaloob ng anumang tulong. Panalangin namin ang lahat ng ito. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please be seated. Good evening, Naga City. We welcome all of you to witness the announcement and very first public appearance of the 20 official candidates for Miss Bicolandia 2024. Yes, this is Bicol Region's longest running and most prestigious beauty search, and we are back to select and crown the fairest and most beautiful of them all. Aspiring young ladies of Bicolandia trooped earlier at the Villa Cáceres Hotel for the preliminary screening and was meticulously scrutinized by Miss Bicolandia 2024 Selection Committee to select the 20 official candidates for this year's pageant search. At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Miss Bicolandia Executive Committee, led by our chairman, Honorable City Councilor Jose C. Ranyola, MD, who will also give a brief message.
His Honor, Mayor Nelson Ligacion, the Honorable Vice Mayor Nini Diasis, my colleagues at the Sangguniang Panglungsod, the Honorable Members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, with Councilor Badi del Castillo, Dr. Gail Abonal Gomez, Dr. Jess Albios, and Councilor Jeff Felix. colleagues at the Execom, the distinguished members of the panel of judges, friends, ladies and gentlemen. May 20 po kitang ngunya na kandidata representing the 6 provinces of Bicol Region. Iyo po yan, kaya medyo puwerte ngunya ang satuyang lalabanan. This pageant is designed for those who embody exceptional physical attributes, charm, intellect, grace, and personal character, reflecting empowered, confident, and inspiring women with compassion, integrity, worthy to become the region's representative to national pageant competition. Beyond showcasing physical beauty, the pageant will serve as a platform to highlight scenic tourism spots and local products of the region. This initiative aims to stimulate economic activity and contribute to the economy, recovery, and development of Bicolandia through various segments of this pageant and marketable video promotions. The winners of the pageant will also become the region's tourism and trade ambassadresses, participating in local promotional activities to boost tourism, trade, and cultural awareness in Bicol region. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Councilor Branyola. We also would like to take this opportunity of acknowledging the Executive Committee members. We have the co-chairperson, City Councilor Honorable Jose Perez. Investment and Tourism Promotions Officer, Mr. Roel M. Oliver. Miss Bicolandia Recruitment Head and Entrepreneur, Miss Eloisa Ice Badong. Interior Designer and member of the Philippine Institute of Interior Designers, Miss Rai Rentoy. The Vice President for Operations of LYRR Realty Development Corporation and Naga Queenstown Realty and Development Incorporated, Mr. Richard Dan Rocha. Board of Director, Metro Naga Water District, Mr. Mike Roses Pawig. Owner and proprietor of Caramel Bake Shop, Attorney Raquel Shena Vergara. Entrepreneur, MNCCI Past President, Mr. Ferdinand Shah. Secretary to the Sangguniang Panlungsod, Mr. Gil De La Torre. Gender and Development Focal Point Person, Mr. Aldo Nino Ruivivar. We also would like to acknowledge the Secretariat and Administrative Support Team, Marketing and Promotions. Chairperson, Sponsorship, Public Information, Marketing and Promotion Services, Mr. Allen Rayondanga. Secretariat and Administrative Support Team Head, Ms. Zaida Ferrifarial. Social Media Head, Mr. Agnete Jonathan Noble. Administrative Support, Ms. Maria Florian Echalose. Administrative Staff of Councilor Jose Perez, Mr. Leo Jonas Diocareza. City Youth Councilor counterpart of Councilor Doc Sonny Ranyola, Honorable John Russell Limbo. We also would like to acknowledge the Support Services Team, headed by City Councilor and Chairperson, Honorable Jess R. Albios. City Engineers Office Department Head, Engineer Alexander Canning. General Services Department Head, Mr. Arthur Abunal. Building Maintenance Office Head, Engineer Jarwin Evangelista. CEO for Physical Arrangement Head, Engineer Irvin Nierva. Medical and Health Support Team. City Health Officer, Medical Team Head, Dr. Ronaldo Amaranto. Solid Waste Management Department Head, Engineer Joel Martin. Security, Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Team, Public Safety Officer, Security Team Head, Mr. Rene Gumba. City Director, Naga City Police Office, PNP, SWAT, Safety and Security Support Team, Police Colonel Erwin Rebellion. Thank you and congratulations for your hard work and dedication. We also would like to acknowledge the city officials of Naga, headed by our beloved Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion. We also would like to acknowledge the other city officials. Honorable Vice Mayor Cecilia Veluz de Asis, Honorable Jesse Albius, Honorable Joselito del Rosario, Honorable Gil Rosales, Honorable Melvin Ramon Omar Buenafe, Honorable Gail Abonal Gomez, Honorable Vidal Castillo, Honorable Jose Ranyola, Honorable Jose Perez, Honorable Salvador del Castillo, Honorable Antonio Beltran, Honorable Maria Corazon M. Peñaflor, Liga President, and Honorable Jefferson Romeo Felix, SK Federation President. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of our reigning Miss Bicolandia 2023, Miss Reynalyn Praferosa. Maraming salamat po. We also would like to thank the generous sponsors of Miss Bicolandia 2024 pageant for their tremendous help and contribution to ensure the success of this pageant. Thank you so much, Robinson's Naga, DLTB Co. Incorporated, Moore Steak Company Incorporated, Moraville The Garden, Moraville Hotels and Resto, Caramel Bake Shop, Summit Hotel, Gateway Visa Solutions, Lotus Blue Hotel, Velia Cáceres Hotel, Carl's Catering, The Isabel Hotel, Kamsur Viaje, LCC Foundation Incorporated, Bigs Incorporated, Que Pasa, University of Nueva Cáceres, Jollibee Almeda Highway, Wasabi San Naga, Coconuts Bicolano Resto, Papa Steel, Pandawan Seafood Restaurant, Champagne Garden, Bob Marlin Restaurant and Grill, Grissini Ristorante, Bin Cafe, Earth Cafe, St. Roach Animal Bite Center, Nico's Art, Meeting Place, Uma Residences, Diana Cafe, and Sunday's Dormitel. Sa inyo pong lahat, our sincerest thanks. At this point, we will hear an inspiring message from this special man who really embodies hard work and good leadership. Let's all welcome the father of Naga City, Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion.
Maray na pagkabanggi po sa Tuya Gabos. Good morning, good evening. Allow me first to acknowledge our City Vice Mayor, the presiding officer of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Vice Mayor Nene de Asis, and the other members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod who are here, namely Councilor Buddy Del Castillo, Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola, Councilor Doc Gail Abonal Gomez, Councilor Doc Jess Albios, Councilor Joe Perez, and our SK Federation President, Councilor Jefferson Felix. And of course, the Executive Council is headed by our three-termer Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola and co-chairman Councilor Joe Perez and all the other members, the members of the Board of Judges for tonight's pre-screening. Dahil ko na po sasaroon, but the Board of Judges is headed by a former Miss Bicolandia, am I right? Miss Naga City, Peña Francia. Kaito arog pa kayan Miss Naga City Peña Francia. Palakpakan ta po si Miss Teddy Tiansay Calieja. Sa tuya po gabos, sa liwat po marahayin na pagkabanggi. Tonight and the succeeding events involving this 2024 Miss Bicolandia will be very special, especially for our last termer, Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola. I think this is pangpira mo na po, panglima as chairman of the Miss Bicolandia, and this will be his last. So patindugon ta po si Doc Sani Ranyola and palakpakan. If not for him and the other members of the executive council, we will not have this kind of presentation, this kind of beauty pageant that we always look forward to every year, every September during the Peña Francia Fiesta. Kaya ansa mo yang pagpapasalamat, Doc Sani, especially po sa imo. Kasi iba, baad yaon pa man next year. So dakula ang utang nabuot kan lokal na gobyerno kan Naga and the entire community because of your able leadership. And I understand, as was told earlier, we have a complete line of candidates representing the 6 provinces of the Bicol region. We have 20. And as also mentioned earlier, we expect that whoever wins the title is going to represent not only Naga City but also the entire Bicol region for the national pageant. So good luck sa tuya po gabos, especially sa tuya po mga candidates. Salamat, maray na pagkabangga.
Thank you, Mayor Legacion. Alright, hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Narito na tayo sa exciting part. We present to you the aspiring ladies of the region vying to become official candidates of Miss Bicolandia 2024.
Lights out and follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, come on, let's get physical. Go to sleep when I got you next to me.
Josephine Anacito Brillantes Limanan Camarinesor. I am a batch valedictorian, a consistent honor student, a scholar, a volunteer for a cause, and a student leader. And because of that, I got one of my biggest achievements, and that is receiving the Jerry Rojas National Leadership Award. Thank you.
This is Terry Rose Visaya, San Fernando. Saving a life is one of my purpose, and it is my greatest achievement to be a part of Street Bus Naga, as this is in line with my causes. Raise your voice for animal lives and end animal cruelty.
Who needs to go to sleep when I got you next to me?
Divine Grace Peñaranda Samarita Libmanan. An entrepreneur creating opportunities, jobs for people, and helping our economy. Now I am conquering the Bicolandia.
As a scholar of the Filipino people ever since I was in high school, I have always dedicated my heart to my education. With that, I have graduated with high honors and 3 academic distinctions in the Philippine Science High School, Bicol Region Campus. With that, I have also received admission offers from different universities abroad. But with my patriotic heart, I have pursued a degree of BS Pharmacy at the University of the Philippines, Manila. This is Angelica Nescio Maximo, proud and honored to represent Pulangi, Albay!
Marahay na banggi sa Saindong Gabos. I am Krisha Ann Pempoyo Taral, 24, Naga City. I finished my course as cum laude, and I am currently working as a flight attendant at the Philippine Airlines. And I am also an advocate for health education, because I really do believe that it plays a pivotal role in the community's well-being. Thank you.
Diyos marahay na banggi sa Indogabos. I am Katrina Claudia Nolascumin, 23 years old and representing Iriga City. I am a licensed professional teacher and presently working as a college instructor. At the same time, I am furthering my studies at University of Nueva Cáceres as a second-year law student, and my aspiration to become the first lawyer in the family. I also do hostings on the side, and I am your Miss Camarines Sur Kaugma 2023 and your reigning Miss Iriga.
psychology student at University of Nueva Cáceres. Good evening, Bicolandia. This is Trisha Tenerife Jara, 23, from the happy island of the Philippines, province of Catanduanes.
To go to sleep when I got you next to me.
Diyos marhay na banggi Bicolandia. This is Rian Macy Nasol Zapata, 23, Naga City. A batch valedictorian in high school and now a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at Bicol University as a magna cum laude. And I am your reigning Miss Kaogma 2024.
Cum laude graduate of Bicol University and an international flight attendant. This is Miki Angelo Barcela, 23, Albay. Good evening, everybody. I'm a proud software engineer working in a multi-international company and a future entrepreneur. I am Ansela Carla Jabay, proud to represent the heart of Bicol, City of Naga.
To go to sleep when I got you next to me.
Hana Cordial Urpesa, 21, representing Siruma, province of Camarines Sur. I am part of CEPPIO, which stands for Protection for Women and Children Against Human Trafficking. I am the founder and initiator of Nutrition for the Young, a scholar, and of course, a volunteer. Thank you.
Kumusta, Bicolandia? Catering to lenient community service, in 2020, I co-founded a charitable organization called the Paglaom Initiative, giving aid to communities hit by calamities and educational aid to children in the level of the grassroots, believing that every child deserves the opportunity to thrive. I am the reigning Mutya ng Ibalong 2024 in Albay, Mary Joy Acacio Darilay, representing the Pilgrim City of Bicolandia, Naga City!
fearlessness in the eyes of a challenge. I am Alessandra Hersey Sabubolyeza, Municipality of Magarao. I am a certified open water scuba diver and I am a reptile hobbyist. My aspiration in life is to always reach for my potential.
A leading pioneer of the first International Renewable Energy and Investment Summit in Albay Province. I am Rani Lachmi Mengamaldado, 25, City of Tabaco!
Previously worked as a customer service representative in the banking industry, associated with an organization called Bungkaras Albay, graduated with Latin honors and political science. Maray na banggi, ako si Ori Balonzo, hali sa Sakuyang Ginikanan, Syudad, Canligaspi.
To go to sleep when I got you next to me.
A graduate from Ateneo de Naga University, pursuing a doctorate for the field of clinical psychology. My name is Joanna Cabalquinto Serrano, 24, Iriga City.
Your beauty queen servant leader in school and in community, self-sufficient working student, and a proud university scholar. This is Agatha Mirasol Compuesto, proudly representing Municipality of Lipmanan.
A banker and a financial literacy advocate, I am Reggie Alibarbar, 23, your Miss Sorsogon.
Taking up Bachelor of Arts in Psychology at University of Nueva Cáceres, your Camarines Norte Tourism Ambassador and Miss Teen International Philippines 2023 first runner-up. This is Angela Joyce Esteves Tabago, 19, Province of Camarines Norte.
Bahay na Banggi po sa Indoga Boss. This is Quizan Fulyoso de Lima, 24, representing Pulangi Albay. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from Bicol University cum laude. Your Miss Kaugma 2019, Miss Millennial Camarines Sur 2019, and Mutya ng Pulangangi 2023.
Let's get to know a bit better all of Miss Bicolandia 2024 aspirants as we ask a common question for all applicants, which they have 30 seconds to respond. And the question is, and the most important question for tonight, are you ready to become Miss Bicolandia 2024? Beginning with applicant number 1.
I joined Miss Bicolandia 2024 without any second thought. And that is because I know to myself that I am ready to serve my purpose and to be the face and voice of the Bicolandia. With great pride and honor, I am Josephine Anacito Brillantes from Libmanan, and I am ready to wear the crown and to bear the responsibility of Miss Bicolandia 2020.
Please welcome applicant number 2.
It is one of my childhood dream to be part of this kind of prestigious pageant, and tonight I will make my dream into reality, and I am ready to win Miss Bicolandia 2024 because I know I am really dedicated, compassionate, and just like my name, Terry Asiray. Hashtag, let's give it a try.
Continuing with applicant number 3.
Looking back to my past experience and also hard work, the beauty of life, now I am conquering the Bicolandia, and yes, I am ready to be Miss Bicolandia 2024. I want to teach people that it's not about being perfect, it's about being courageous and being unstoppable. For that, we will create a beautiful Bicolanos that are very brave.
Let's hear it from applicant number 4.
I am ready to be your next Miss Bicolandia because I believe this is not about the crown but a sense of responsibility to unite, uplift, and represent our region. Because I believe that I am equipped with the courage, compassion, and competence in doing so, advocating for the causes that I believe would help our region grow. Because in Bicol, I believe that we can showcase by showing them the Bicolanos and Bicolanas. Magayon,
and here is also applicant number 5.
I am definitely ready. It's been years since the last time I joined beauty pageants. And going back here in this pageant, I know that I am more than ready. Because physically, emotionally, spiritually, I know that I am sustained with the knowledge. And with that, this fight is not just for the crown alone, but for the people that I am fighting for. Because I truly believe that this dream was planted in my heart for a reason.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first batch for our casual interview. Reminding once again our candidates that you're only given 30 seconds to answer. Again, to answer the question, are you ready to become Miss Bicolandia 2024? Is applicant number 6.
Again, one good evening. To be a part of something big like this platform is to hold such integrity and uniqueness. I prepared to stand here not only to represent my hometown and my faith, but more so to stand here with the hope that my causes, values, experiences, and journey is in and will come to fruition. With all of this at heart, partner with actions, I am very hopeful to...
And here is applicant number 7.
I am visionary, a leader, and above all, an advocate. And I am an advocate for self-awareness in line with mental health for sexually abused survivors. I want to create a safe space for them and in the community for them to be believed in. And I want to carry this score with you, Bicolandia, and I am ready to take on the challenge. Thank you so much.
And here's also applicant number 8.
I am a miracle baby. And so who you are seeing now is a manifestation that miracles exist and dreams persist. So for me, the Miss Bicolandia crown is more than just a childhood dream. It is a calling not for me, but for the sector that I genuinely fight for with my advocacy. Guardian angels, your angel with knowings, the victims of domestic and sexual abuse. And so as I carry them with me today, I am more than...
And next off is applicant number 9.
Yes, I am more than ready to win the crown. Miss Bicolandia has opened a lot of opportunities and dreams for me. And if I were to become the next Miss Bicolandia 2024, this will open a lot of doors for me to introduce my love for animals, arts, and culture. This crown is my dream crown ever since I started joining pageants, and I will make sure that this will be my first and last. Thank you.
And completing this batch is applicant number 10.
Of course, I'm more than ready to take the crown. Joining again, I'm more prepared not just physically, but mentally and spiritually. I am a living testament that hard work, faith, and persistence really pays off. And my experience has grown me to become stronger, more determined, while pushing myself beyond limits. And I am ready to take the responsibility and duty as your next Miss Bicolandia.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our second batch, applicants numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here is our third batch for tonight. Answering the question, are you ready to become Miss Bicolandia 2024 with applicant number 11?
I am definitely ready to be the next Miss Bicolandia. I am committed to represent the beauty, culture, and the strength of Bicol region with my background as a psychology student, humanitarian, and advocate. I am also ready to advocate for important causes, and I stand here today not only to represent myself but also to represent the people of Siruma. Thank you so much.
And giving us her answer as well is applicant number 12.
I am ready to be the Miss Bicolandia 2024. With my deep love for our culture and my passion for positive change, I am ready to showcase the beauty and strength of every Bicolana with the high hopes that together we will shine better in embracing our culture and heritage and inspiring our future. Thank you.
And sharing her wisdom is applicant number 13.
I am ready to be the next Miss Bicolandia because I am fresh, I have a new set of ideas for innovation and progress, and I am authentic because I have my whole heart to give to the Bicolandia. I am here to fight, and I am here to win.
Please welcome applicant number 14.
I believe that Miss Bicolandia should embody the feistiness and fearlessness of a true queen of the region. She should encompass the variety of the provinces and possess the rage of a fire. And I believe I am her. Thank you and good night.
And completing this batch is applicant number 15.
With all my life's regrets, failure, redirection, and belief that led everyone to break down, I already had 3 consecutive losses in the pageant industry, but I've always been a type of person who is never afraid to take risks and take chances. Who knows, maybe Miss Bicolandia was always meant for me after all. Pageants may be a risk, but it is always a risk worth taking. And if you're asking me if I am ready, together with an organization that I have in my heart, which is Bunkaras Albay, I was born for this. Thank you.
And that is our third batch for tonight. Applicants numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And here is our fourth and final batch. To answer the question, are you ready to become Miss Bicolandia 2024? Candidate number 16.
Without a doubt, I believe that I am ready to embody the strength, the resilience, and the grace that Miss Bicolandia has, and I am ready to do that. Thank you.
Followed by applicant number 17.
Taking an active role in the society by being a sangguniang kabataan member, a beauty queen, and a working student speaks a lot about my commitment to my advocacy, which is youth empowerment, focusing on the value of quality education for better employment. I am bringing this certain cause to this greater platform, and this explains why I am more than ready for the crown and purpose of Miss Bicolandia 2024.
Giving us her answer is applicant number 18.
Miss Bicolandia is an embodiment of a true Bicolana. She is compassionate, she is an intelligent woman, and charismatic. She is an empowered woman ready to be of service to her community. And standing alongside with these beautiful and equally talented ladies is a testament to that. And I believe I am so ready to be your next Miss Bicolandia.
Following her is applicant number 19.
To become the queen of Bicolandia means to be someone who can surmount mountains, face volcanoes, and swallow the heat of red chili people. What I mean about this is to become an Uragon, a woman with a brave heart, open for fun and adventure, for tourism engagement, and open to challenge and address the social and local issues in order to combat economical growth in our province, in our region, and in order to promote our own local heritage. And when I look into me,
and completing the list is applicant number 20.
In every missed opportunity, I realized one thing. If not now, when? This has become the very reason why I venture into things that I want to be with. I want to partake in. And never in a heartbeat I would doubt that question. Again, this is Quizan Folyoso de Lima, one of your aspirants for Miss Bicolandia 2024, more than ready to be here.
There you have it, a last batch for this evening. Applicants numbers 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There you have them, our Miss Bicolandia 2024 hopefuls. Talagang nagayon kayong lahat. At this point, we will hear an inspiring message from this special lady who really embodies beauty and brain. Let's all welcome the reigning Miss Bicolandia 2023, Reynalyn Praferosa.
Hi, good evening everybody. So this is just a very spontaneous message. So good evening po to all our city officials, Mayor Son, VP Nene, and to all the city councilors who are present here. Good evening. To my beloved Miss Bicolandia committee, headed by Doc Sunny Ranyola. And to the production team, Direct Jojo, Direct Andrew, hello, good evening. It's nice to see you here. And to the production team, and to all the pageant handlers, family, and friends who are present here tonight, good evening to all of you. So this is not yet my farewell speech. This is just a short message of inspiration to all my Miss Bicolandia future queens and candidates. So it's been a year since I was crowned as Miss Bicolandia, and a lot has happened. It feels like yesterday. So there are a lot of opportunities that came, a lot of brands and partnership. And one of the best things that I have enjoyed during my reign was all the invitations and engagements that I received from different LGUs of the Bicol region. So I get to know a lot of officials and people across the region. And I think that's the best thing that a Miss Bicolandia could do, to interact with the whole Bicolanos. And what else? I'm very much humbled to receive compliments such as, I'm one of the busiest queens of the year. So I think that's a compliment, so thank you for all the support of the whole Bicol region. But this success story will not be attained without the help of my team, especially to my pageant handler who's here, to Kuya Francis Hermojeno. Thank you so much for being my strongest support system. And of course, to all my team, maraming salamat po. And to finally end this, a piece of advice that I could give to all the ladies at the backstage is that you will never go wrong if you stay true to your core and to your values. So always go back to your biggest why. Like, why are you doing this? Because if you know your purpose, your bigger purpose, and your main core, why you're joining a pageant, then it's gonna be an easy and smooth journey for you. So I'm very much happy to share as well that I will be proudly representing the Bicol region in my next national pageant, which is the Miss Kasangayan Philippines. So I am hoping to get a support from all the Bicolanos across the region. So thank you so much, and please enjoy the night. Thank you.
Thank you, Reynalyn. Joining us also this evening are the members of the selection committee. Introducing to you our judge number 1, a Senior Assistant Vice President, Regional Head for Loans, Development Bank of the Philippines Lending Center, Mr. Ariel Peña. Our judge number 2 is a graduate of Architectural and Engineering Technology at the Thompson Rivers University in Canada. He was also a Rotary International exchange student of Naga to British Columbia in 2012. He has since been actively involved in transforming communities. He is the Operations Director at Dewon Trading and Magarao Air Products. Our judge number 2, Mr. Joshua Paulo Del Lloro. Our judge number 3, traveling the world for more than 15 years now, working on board as an entertainment production manager, stage lighting designer, and a singer-performer to international audience, and a proud Bicolano, a graduate of Development Communication at Ateneo de Naga University, Mr. Juan Nino Perez. Our 4th judge, with an interest in the power of communication, she finished her postgraduate course at the Cambridge University of the United Kingdom and has been an international educator for almost 20 years. She has been a preschool teacher at Stanford American International School, a fan of places, photographs, and food. She is also the founder of Saluti, Bicol's go-to antipasti grazing company, curating delicious, creative, and bespoke catering solutions with the office at Diversion Road, Barangay Triangulo, Naga City. Judge number 4, Joanna Marie Malaniaon Lim. Our 5th judge, the Vice President for Programs and Projects of Metro Naga Chamber, the Vice President of One Entertainment Production, the President of Delta Eagles Club, Mr. Emerson E.J. Guazon. Our judge number 6 is currently the CEO of Learner Corporation and Bukhao Digital. He is also the co-founder and general manager of the Marhay Nagibo Consumers Cooperative. He served the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, the Office of the President, and the Presidential Management Staff in various capacities over a period of 14 years. Judge number 6, Mr. Ronald Rodriguez. Our 7th judge graduated high school from St. Joseph's School last 2018 and have finished college at Ateneo de Manila University this year with a degree of BS Management. A runner and entrepreneur, also worked as a model for some brands back before the pandemic. Our judge number 7, Mr. James Colin Lizardo. Judge number 8, a managing director of McDonald's Naga, Concepcion, Almeda, and Pili Camarines Sur branch, Miss Jeanette Law. Our judge number 9 is the Director for Sports Development Office, the head coach of UNC basketball team, Mr. Miguel Gustavo Perez. Judge number 10, degree holder, Bachelor of Science in Nursing from Naga College University, Master of Arts in Nursing at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, pursuing his doctorate degree in Behavioral Management at the University of Nueva Cáceres. Currently professor at the UNC College of Nursing and the Graduate School of Ateneo de Naga University, Mr. Francisco Rico Rakitico. Judge number 11, Director of Provincial Tourism Office of the Province of Sorsogon, Mr. Bobby Gigantone. And our 12th judge, the first, Miss Peña Francia 1977, the first, and now Miss Bicolandia from Legazpi City, successful entrepreneur as owner of GHT Events Place in Legazpi City for venue and private events, who brought Kia Motors in Legazpi and Naga City. Judge number 12, Miss Teddy Tiansay Calleja. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our selection committees. Once again, here are this year's hopefuls for Miss Bicolandia 2024 in their casual wear. And now, may we call on stage Mayor Nelson Ligacion, the members of the Executive Committee, and the city officials to be on stage for the announcement of Miss Bicolandia 2024 official candidates. Good luck, ladies. Our first official candidate for this year. Applicant number 1, Josephine Anacito Brillantes from Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next official candidate is applicant number 2, Terry Rose Labudet Visaya from San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Next official applicant is applicant number 3, Divine Grace Peñaranda Samarita from Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next official candidate is applicant number 4, Angelica Nescio Maximo from Pulangi, Albay. Next official candidate is applicant number 5, Krisha Ann Pempolio Doral from Naga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 6, Katrina Claudia Nolasco Hamid from Iriga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 7, Trisha Nina Tenerife Jara from Catanduanes. Next official candidate is applicant number 8, Rian Macy Nasol Zapata from Naga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 9, Miki Angela Basaysay Barcela from Albay. Next official candidate is applicant number 10, Ansela Carla Herudio Abay from Naga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 11, Hana May Cordial Orpesa from Seruma, Camarines Sur. May we now request the Executive Committee to please give the flower to our official candidates. Next official candidate is applicant number 11, Hana May Cordial Orbesa from Seruma, Camarines Sur. Next official candidate is applicant number 12, Mary Joy Acasio Darilay from Naga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 13, Alessandra Hercy Sabio Belieza from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Next official candidate is applicant number 14, Rani Lakmi Dado from Tabaco City. Next official candidate is applicant number 15, Ori Balonzo from Legazpi City. Next official candidate is applicant number 16, Joanna Serrano from Iriga City. Next official candidate is applicant number 17, Maria Gabriel Agata Mirasol Compuesto from Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next official candidate is applicant number 18, Reggie Castello Alibarbar from Sorsogon. Next official candidate is applicant number 19, Angela Joyce Esteves Tabago from Camarines Norte. And the last official candidate is applicant number 20, Kizan Foliosa de Lima from Pulangi, Albay. There you have it, the 20 official candidates of Miss Bicolandia 2024 pageant search. Congratulations, ladies, and thank you to the rest of the girls. May we request the Honorable Mayor and the rest of the city officials to please join our official candidates on stage for a photo op. Thank you so much to our city officials. This time, may we request for a photo op the executive committees. Again, may we request the executive committees, please, for a photo op with our official candidates. May we request the selection committees for a photo op with our official candidates. Thank you so much. May we also request our reigning Miss Bicolandia 2023, Miss Reynalyn Praverosa.
"100 years since the canonical coronation of the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia, and our devotion continues to run strong. The biggest and most awaited Marian celebration is here once again. Join us as we celebrate the Peña Francia Festival 2024. September 7, CTP, MAPE, DRRM, and DBC, DLC Majorettes Exhibition. September 11, Miss Bicolandia 2024, Coronation Night. September 13, Peña Francia, Traslación Procession. September 14, Second Bicol Regional CTP, MAPE, DRRM, Parade Competition. September 15, Regional Majorettes, DBC, and Band Exhibition. September 15 to 21, Tagboan Food, Arts and Music Festival. September 18, Scouts Parade and DXMC Competition. September 18, Second Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. September 19, Civic and Float Parade. September 19, Peña Francia Voyadores Festival Street and Pilgrims Dance Competition. September 20, Bicol Regional Military Parade. September 20, 100 100th anniversary of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia. September 20, Procesión Triunfal para la Reina Celestial de Coronada. September 21, Peña Francia Fluvial Procession. For the complete list of Peña Francia Festival civic and religious events, visit the Naga City Government and Mayor Son Ligacion page. The Peña Francia Festival civic events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Kennedy Asis.